Hey, hope you guys are doing well. Edgar's from Solo Marketer here, and in this short video, I want to quickly show you how to create a course bundle, which essentially is like a combination of courses. And yeah, it's really simple. It's literally a couple of clicks. So I'm going to show you how to create one, and I'm going to show you how also you can grant access to it through a sales page, which is also a pretty quick process. So yeah, let's get right to it. This is obviously assuming that you have courses in your backend. So if you go to product, courses, right? You already have some courses set up in your backend, and you want to bundle some of them in a package. Let's say 3 courses, right? And sell them as one. So what you want to do now is you want to go to products, courses, and then over here on the upper left side, you want to go to bundles, and you can see I already have one created, but let's just create a new one. Let's just click create, and then let's name it marketing. If I could type, yeah, that's good. Give it a description here, just so you can see where it shows up in the backend. Instructor name, Edgar's, and also upload, which you can see here, kind of, not really. You can see there's like a bundle cover as well, which is kind of nice if you have something. If you don't, no biggie. Let's click save, and then you can see it here up top. Marketing Super Bundle, not really original name, but now you can start adding courses to the bundle. Add course, select from your list, like this one, for example. Let's add another one. Add a course, funnel building challenge, add a course, and just basically, yeah, just add whatever you need to add. You have assembled a bundle. This thing is delay before the start. If you click on it, you can see it's for drip content. If you want to learn more about dripping content in your courses, like giving content gradually instead of dropping the whole thing on their heads, if it's like a larger course, there should be a card above at the corner of this video where I explain it a little bit more detail. But as of right now, we have the bundle. So now what we want to do is we want to go to a sales funnel and want to connect this bundle, give it a price point, and just kind of have all that connected to the sales page. So here we have the sales page. Let's just say it's the sales page itself. That's going to be the product. We don't have anything connected. So yeah, it's pretty simple. First, you want to give access to a digital product under resources over here. Let's click on it. And here you can select a resource, which usually is the courses, but here it's going to be a course bundle. That's going to be the thing that we give them once they purchase. Let's click on it. Course bundle. As you can see, I have 2 now. I just created this one. And can drip content, which is what I mentioned before. That's a different video. And so yeah, we want to give full access. Let's click save. Price plans. Let's click on it. These are pretty straightforward as well. Let's just create a new one. This is the course bundle, whatever the name was. Let's just say it's $49. So these two are, I don't remember which one was which, but one shows up on the invoice and one shows up on the sales page at the bottom. I just make them the same. And this one shows up in the bank statement, I think, but it has a really small character limit. Something, yeah, really short, so keep that in mind. Price plan type, one-time subscription payment plan, pretty self-explanatory. This one is just one payment. Subscription is like Netflix, whatever, just the same amount per month forever. And payment plan is like installments. So if you have like $1,000 course, you can do 3 payments of, I don't know, $349, right, instead of the full $997. So yeah, those are just the options. So one-time payment amount. Let's just say it's 49, I think I mentioned, and save. And obviously you can do coupons as well and all that stuff, but that's beyond the scope of this one. So this is pretty simple. If we go check out the sales page, as you can see here, obviously it's a completely different thing that I'm mentioning here, but let me quickly do the 2-step checkout. So yeah, once you're at the second step, you can see here, marketing course bundle shows up here. Remember the name I gave it in the setup? So yeah, it shows up here. And also, if you found this one helpful, there's going to be a couple of videos that are going to show up on a page right now. Hopefully, I don't know what the timing is perfectly, but one is going to be on how to build a sales page, and the other one is going to be on how to build a course. So make sure to check those out as well, and obviously leave a like and subscribe to the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.